Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious iced tea. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll want to choose high-quality tea leaves, whether black, green, or herbal, as this forms the foundation of your drink. Using fresh, filtered water is also crucial for a clean taste. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure your iced tea is perfectly refreshing every time, from brewing to serving, in just a few simple steps. Now, let's talk about brewing. For a quick and strong brew, hot brewing is ideal. Use 1 teaspoon of tea leaves per 8 ounces of hot water. Steep black tea for about 3 to 5 minutes and green tea for 2 to 3 minutes. Alternatively, cold brewing involves steeping tea in cold water for 8 to 12 hours, resulting in a wonderfully smooth and less bitter beverage. Both methods yield fantastic results. Once your tea is brewed, it's time to sweeten and flavor it. If you prefer a sweet tea, add sugar or honey while the tea is still warm to ensure it dissolves completely. A simple syrup, made from equal parts sugar and water, is excellent for cold tea, preventing any grittiness. Don't hesitate to experiment with fresh additions like lemon slices, a sprig of mint, or even some muddled berries for an extra burst of flavor. Finally, let's prepare your iced tea for serving. It's crucial to let your brewed tea cool down to room temperature before placing it in the refrigerator. This prevents cloudiness and ensures a clear, beautiful drink. Chill it for at least 2 hours or even overnight for the best cold experience. When ready, pour over fresh ice and garnish with a slice of lemon, a sprig of mint, or any other fresh fruit for a delightful presentation. Enjoy your delicious homemade iced tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.